हेलो चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज़ रूपाली मैम फ्रॉम डॉक्टर अमीना क्लासेस और आज हम करेंगे चैप्टर 10 माइक्रोब्स इन ह्यूमन वेलफेयर। बहुत सालों से माइक्रोब्स का यूज़ हमारी बहुत सारी डेली लाइफ में काम आता है और आज हम इसको चैप्टर में इसलिए पढ़ते हैं कि पुराने ज़माने में फर्मेंटेशन के लिए, दही बनाने के लिए माइक्रोब्स यूज़ करते थे, इतना पता था। लेकिन अब हम इन माइक्रोब्स का यूज़ यानी माइक्रोस्कोपिक ऑर्गेनिजम्स का, चाहे वो बैक्टीरिया हो, फंजाई हो, इन सब का यूज़ हम कितनी सारी कमर्शियल इम्पोर्टेंस के लिए करते हैं। तो देखते हैं माइक्रोब्स इन हाउस होल्ड प्रोडक्ट्स, घर में यूज़ होने वाली चीज़ों में क्या। लैक्टिक एसिड बैक्टीरिया से कर्ड, and curd has vitamin B12 which is very good for health. Then baker's yeast, all bread, buns, all are made from fungi Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Then toddy, a famous drink of South India, obtained from toddy palm, is also fermented by microbes. Then very important, Swiss cheese, which has large holes due to evolve carbon dioxide evolution. The bacterium by which Swiss cheese is prepared is important. Propionibacterium shermani, name important. Then Roquefort cheese, obtained from fungi Penicillium roqueforti. So these are all household products obtained from microbes. Then microbes used in industrial products. Fermenters are those large vessels where microbes are grown at industrial level. Brewer's yeast and baker's yeast are one and the same thing, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. It is used for fermentation of beverages like wine and beer without distillation. Whiskey, brandy, rum, they are made by distillation. Then number of antibiotics. What are antibiotics? Chemical substances produced by microbes that can kill or retard the growth of other disease causing microbes. Definition important. Now important antibiotic is penicillin, discovered by Alexander Fleming, and there is a story how it was discovered given in the NCERT. You have to do that. वो आ सकती है. And the organism from where it is obtained is a fungi, a mold, Penicillium notatum. It's important. One more important thing. The penicillium's full potential as an antibiotic, it was done by Ernest Chain, Howard Florey. They both did this, and along with Alexander Fleming, they got Nobel Prize in 1945. So cure these antibiotics can cure diseases like plague, then whooping cough, also known as in Hindi kali khansi, diphtheria known as galghotu, leprosy known as kushrog. You must know the Hindi names. Now, let's move on to one big use of very important use of microbe in sewage treatment plant. Sewage is domestic sewage, all the sewage जिसको हम गटर कहते हैं, that is being dumped into rivers and stream, and that is not good, so it should be treated. So sewage treatment plant, 5 marks का question आ सकता है, otherwise भी question आते हैं. So all the domestic sewage undergoes primary treatment. This box is of primary treatment, where the two steps, filtration and sedimentation. In filtration, all solid floating objects are removed. Then simple filtration. Sedimentation, the effluent, the water, it is left for secondary treatment, and primary sludge is sedimented. Now effluents enters for secondary treatment in an aeration tank, aerobic digestion is done, then goes to settling tank. Flocks are there. Flocks are Phlox is important. They ask what are phlox. It is a bacteria and fungal mesh. So it is used for aerobic digestion, and after that activated sludge, important, that is being removed, and the effluent is led into an anaerobic sludge digester. And anaerobic conditions are there. Methanogens develop, and anaerobically the if water is effluents are treated, and then the water is led into rivers or stream. But this, when anaerobic digestion is done, one important thing is obtained, that is biogas, which can be used commercially, as well as this sludge, activated sludge, can be used as a compost, as a good compost, so nothing is being wasted. One more important thing here, whenever secondary treatment is done, the BOD of the effluent is checked. What is BOD? Biochemical or biological oxygen demand. Now, the oxygen used to break the organic matter present in the water is BOD. So, BOD should be done in detail. The whenever the BOD is more, water is polluted. So, in polluted water, BOD is more. Now, that is checked during secondary treatment. So, sewage treatment is important. 5 marks में आ सकता है. अब देखना. Next is the after sewage treatment, the Indian government initiated Ganga Action Plan, GAP, and YAP, Yamuna Action Plan. These rivers were treated water was led into these rivers, and they are cleaned under the action of the government. And that organization is MOIF, MOEF. So you must know that. That's given in the NCRT book. Now, one more thing. Again, diagram important, biogas plant. Biogas plant diagram important. Methanogens, they break anaerobically, and along with IARI, Indian Agricultural Research Institute, and Khadi and Village Industries Commission, important, this biogas plants are being made near the villages. So again, 5 marks or 3 marks question uh, can be asked. Now, microbes are also used as biocontrol agents, like ladybug and dragon. All examples important. Dragonflies are used to kill aphids and mosquitoes. Then BT cotton, you have done it and you'll be doing in biotechnology. Bacillus thuringiensis, it is used to kill insect larvae, harmful insect larvae. Then trichoderma, it's a free living fungi. It helpful in many plant diseases which occur in roots. Very important, baculovirus group, nucleopolyhedrovirus genus. It is these viruses are species specific. They only strike the particular insect. So it is very useful. Short note बहुत important है, आ सकता है. Then microbes as for biofertilizers, कौन से rhizobium in the roots of leguminous plants. Then free living in soil, fixed nitrogen, azospirillum and azotobacter. पूछ सकते हैं. माइकोराइजा पूछते हैं कई बार. रूट्स की, हायर प्लांट्स की रूट्स में फंगस सिम्बियोटिक रिलेशनशिप करता है. कौन सा जीनस? ग्लोमस. And they provide to the plant many important minerals like phosphorus, sulfur, and so on. Cyanobacteria, when present in paddy fields, rice fields like Anabina, nostoc, they help in fixation of nitrogen and increase the fertility of soil. Then very important, chemicals, enzymes, and bioactive molecules obtained from microbes. Aspergillus niger, citric acid is obtained. Acetobacter aceti, acetic acid. Clostridium butylicum, butyric acid. Then few enzymes, lipases, lipids को break करते हैं. Pectinases, fruit juices जब निकालते हैं फैक्ट्रीज में तो उसमें सेल वॉल का पेक्टिन को डिसॉल्व करता है. Pectinases, very important. Now, the very important thing, the streptokinase. Streptokinase is a clot buster. Streptokinase, it's a clot buster, and it is obtained from bacterium Streptococcus, and it is helpful in removing the clots formed in blood vessels. Very important again, cyclosporin A. It is an immunosuppressive agent, and it is obtained from a fungi Trichoderma polysporum. Very important name. And third, statins. Statins, it is produced by yeast Monescus purpureus. Remember Monescus purpureus, and it acts by competitively inhibiting the enzyme responsible for synthesis of cholesterol. So it lowers the blood cholesterol level. ये सब बातें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आती आती हैं. स्ट्रेप्टोकाइनेज, साइक्लोस्पोरिन ए, स्टैटिन्स कहाँ से मिलता है और क्या काम है, बहुत अच्छे से लर्न करिएगा. तो ये हुआ माइक्रोब्स का. थैंक यू.